In DATACT, you can upload your images to a pin on the map. You would have to click on this icon here, upload pins. Then you need to find your images. You can upload as many images at the same time as you want. If I drag 2 images here, you can see that they are given automatically a name based on the position, the location the images were taken. You can add additional comments. You can also change the name. You can change the color on the pictures if you want to, or the markers, and then upload. Once the images are uploaded, they should appear on the map. As you can see, we have a green pin here and this orange one. And if you click the marker, you see the picture. If you click the picture again, you see the picture in full screen.